I know that the truth is in me, perfect and complete. There is no power, presence, or person outside the divine. God not only is, it is also one. Our lesson from the Quran says that a belief in any opposite to the one has no power, even as darkness has no power over light. God is light, and in God there is no darkness. To believe in the light is to dispel the darkness. A knowledge of good overcomes evil. The consciousness of abundance dispels want and pours the contents of the horn of plenty into our uplifted bowl of acceptance. John tells us that there is no lie in the truth. The truth never contradicts itself. It never denies us our good. It evermore proclaims the divine presence in everything, through everything, and around everything. If God is allness, then there is no otherness. Guanzi tells us that anxiety will not save us, because anxiety is unbelief. Jesus also tells us to take no anxious thoughts for tomorrow. The Chinese sage said that perfect people find that they already have everything within themselves, after which they discover the same in others. This corresponds to the teaching of Jesus that the blind cannot lead the blind. We must know the truth about ourselves before we can know it about others. I know that the truth is in me, perfect and complete. I know that I manifest the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. I know that the truth makes me free. Today, it frees me from the burden of care and anxiety. Every form of fear, every sense of burden is dropped from my consciousness, and I walk the way of truth lightly, joyously.